Hello students, this video we are going to learn about distance formula, which is a topic there in coordinate geometry. So distance formula we are using to find out distance between 2 points given in your coordinate system. Let's say we have 2 points given as P, Q. Say P is x1, y1 and Q is x2, y2. So the distance between them is PQ. So this PQ is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And then we have to square root it. There is a derivation for this also, because if you join these two lines and check it out, it becomes a right angle triangle, and we can find it out how to calculate this PQ using your Pythagoras theorem, but that's not in your portion, so we are not going into that. This is the formula that you need to remember. Now let's say one of this point is origin. Let's say one of the point is origin. Let's say x1, y1 is origin. So now what will PQ become? The distance of any point from origin. That will only be what? X2 square plus y2 square. It can be x1 square plus y1 square. Fine. So it's that thing, because this I'm putting as 0. So it will change to this thing. So now let's solve these questions based on the formula. Question number 1. Question number 1 says that you need to find out the distance between the following pair of points. The points are, let's say it's A 2 3 and B 4 1. So the distance between them AB is given by what? X2. 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. So what will it become? 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square plus minus 2 square, square root. So which is what? 4 plus 4. That's your square root of 8. Square root of 8, we cannot leave it like that. We need to simplify it. So that will change to 2 root 2. Clear, students? Keep solving with me. Don't just look when someone is solving. Do not just look at it. You need to solve it with the person, because then only you understand. Let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 says that find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points, 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9. Now, when a point is on x-axis, so let the point on x-axis is given by, when a point is on axis, it's x comma 0. The y coordinate of that point will have to be 0, because it is lying on x-axis. Now it is equidistant from points. So let's say this is point P. So equidistant from, let's say one point I name as 2 comma minus 5. Another point I'll name as B minus 2 9. Okay. Now as it is equidistant from these two, so therefore PA will be equals to PB. It's a, let's say point is P and these 2 points are there, A and B. So the distance between these two, PA and PB, that is same. This is what you have got it from here. So if PA equals to PB, I can say that PA square also equals to PB square, meaning square root I'm removing actually. Now let's find the distance. So 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 minus 0 whole square is equals to minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. You can do it in any way. You can do x minus 2, 0 plus 5, x plus 2, 0 minus 9. Anyway, you will get the same thing, because we are doing squares. So negative will not matter over here. So 2 minus x whole square. Let's open it using the identity a minus b whole square. So that's 2 square plus x square minus 2 into 2, 4x, plus this is minus 5 whole square. This will be again 2 square plus x square plus 4x plus 9 square. So let's simplify it. It will change to 4 plus x square minus 4x plus 25, 4 plus x square plus 4x plus 81. I can cancel out this 4 and 4, x square and x square. So minus 4x minus 4x, I took it over here, transposition, 81 minus 25. So when we simplify it, we are getting minus 8x is equals to 56. So x comes out to be 56 minus 8, which is going to be minus 7. So x is coming out to be minus 7. When x is minus 7, so the point on x-axis is -7, 0. I hope the question is clear to you, how we solved it. Now let us move to question number 3. I'll take the question and we'll solve it. Okay, let's move to this question. Question number 3 says that you need to find the values of y for which the distance between these 2 points is given by 10. Now the distance between 2 points PQ is given as 10 and PQ is what? PQ is 10 minus 2 whole square using distance formula plus y minus 3 whole square. So that changes to 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square because minus minus becomes plus. I have to remove the square root. To remove the square root, we say that square both sides. So this will be 64 plus y square using the identity a plus b whole square. So y square plus 3 square is 9 plus 2 into a into b, that will be 2 into y into 3, that is 6y is equals to 10 square because I squared both the sides. When you square this side, when we square this side, the square root will be removed. And when you square this side, it's 10 square. So now what are we left with? Y square plus 6y plus this is 73 is 100. Bring this 100 this side. 6y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 equals to 0. So y square plus 6y minus it's 27. Now we need to factorize it by using middle term split. So y square factors of 27 are 9 into 3. We can use plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equals to 0. From these two, let's take y common, y plus 9. These two I can take minus 3 common, y plus 9 equals to 0. So I have y plus 9, y minus 3 equals to 0. So you can say that y equals to minus 9 or y equals to 3. So these are the two values of y we will get. I hope this is also clear. Let's take other questions. So we are using only the distance formula to solve all these questions. Let's take all of them together over here. I'll copy them below so that we can refer to them. Now, question number 4. Question number 4 is saying that Q is equidistance from these 2 points. So I have Q and the points are 5 minus 3 r, that is x and 6. Equidistance meaning QP equals to QR. Equidistance, do not take it as that it's a midpoint. Fine. It's not given a midpoint. It's saying that it is equidistance, means Q can be here, P can be here, R can be here, and the distance between these two distances are same. That's the meaning of this thing. So we have to use distance formula over here, not midpoint formula. Please make it clear. You will get a wrong answer if you use midpoint formula here. Now, as QP equals to QR, I can say that QP square is also equals to QR square. Now, we need to find the value of x. Let's substitute the values over here using distance formula. So what is QP? That's 5 minus 0 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square. And QR will be x minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square. That's 5 square plus minus 4 square, x square plus 5 square. 5 square goes away. It's 16 is x square. So when I square root this, I'll get the value of x as plus minus 4. So I got x as plus minus 4, meaning the value of r coordinates is minus 4, 0 and r is also 4, 0. Now I have R, I have Q, I need to find out QR and PR using the two. You need to find out QR, you need to find out PR also. So Q is given as, let me just write them again, this, and P is given as what? P is given as 5 minus 3. Okay, let's find out QR. So QR will be given by 4 minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square, which will be equals to 4 square minus 4 square plus minus 1 square, that's 16 plus 1, which is, I think there is a mistake, r is minus 4 6 and r is 4 6 over here, yeah. So it will be 6 minus 1, so it has to be 5 square. Let's just correct it over here. Plus 25, so it is coming out to be root of 41. So QR, if I take it as minus 4 minus 0 also, in this case also QR will come out to be root 41 only, because it's coming out to be same. Now let's calculate PR. For PR, we have 5 minus minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square when it is minus 4. So it will be 9 square plus minus 9 square, which is 81 plus 81. That's 2 into 81 root, which I can write it as 9 root. In this case, it is coming out this. Now, when r is 4, 6, the value of PR will be 4 minus 5 whole square plus 6 minus minus 3 whole square. Square root of that. So that will be minus 1 square plus 9 square, which is 1 plus 81, that will come out to be root of 82. You can't simplify this. So these are the different values coming out to be. I hope this question is also clear. Now, very important question. Find out the relationship between the 2 points. We have points given as 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. And there is another point which is equidistant from these 2 points. Let's say that point is P. So let P, the coordinates of P are this, be equidistant from 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Let's say this is A and this is again B. I hope this equidistant point is clear to you all now. So I'll say as this is equidistant, so PA will be equals to PB. Therefore again PA square will be equals to PB square. When I have this, I'll use the distance formula. So I'll use x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equals to x minus minus 3 will become x plus 3 whole square and y minus 4 whole square. Let's open this using the identities. So a minus b whole square becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I'm using here x square plus 3 square is 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 6 square is 36 minus 12y. Here x square plus 9, which is 3 square, plus 2 3s are 6x plus y square plus 4 square is 16 minus 2 4s are 8, 8y. Let's cancel out, which we can cancel. X square goes away, 9, 9, same signs you can cancel. Y square goes away. Now we are left with what? Minus 6x plus 36 minus 12y, 6x plus 16 minus 8y. Let's bring the like terms together. Minus 12y plus 8y and plus 36 minus 16 equals to 0. Now minus 6x minus 6x minus 12x. Here minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4y and this is 20. I can divide the whole equation by minus 4. So divide by minus 4. When I divide by minus 4, it will be 3x, it will be plus y, it will be minus 5 equals to 0. This is the relationship that we found between x and y. I hope it's clear. Let's move to the last question. Last question says that we need to show that the vertices are given. They are the vertices of a square. So these are the vertices of a quadrilateral given to us. We need to show that it's a vertices of a square. So for square, what are the conditions needed? For square, the conditions needed are that all sides should be equal and both the diagonals should be equal. In a square, you know that the side should be equal and the diagonal should be equal. So let's say we have A, B, CD the square. What is this? I'll take in the same order. 1, 7, 4, 2. Whenever these type of questions come, you just take in that order only. You will get the answer easily. Minus 4, 4. So what I'll find it out here is I'll find out AB first. So AB will be what? Let's find out. AB will be, let's say, 4 minus 1 square plus 2 minus 7 square. So what will be that? That's 3 square plus minus 5 square, which is 9 plus 25. That's root 34. Now let's find out BC. BC will be minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 whole square. We are getting the same thing. Minus 5 whole square minus 3 whole square. So negative square is the same. So 25 plus 9, that's again root 34. So two sides came equal only. Now let's find out CD. CD will be I can write it anyhow with minus 4 if I say, so it will be plus 1 whole square plus 4 minus minus plus 1 whole square. Okay, I hope it's clear. So that will become minus 3 square plus 5 square. So that is again coming out to be 9 plus 25, which is root 34. That is also same. Now let's calculate dA. So for dA, minus 4 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. So that will come out to be minus 5 square plus minus 3 square, which is 25 plus 9, and that is again coming out to be root 34. So all sides are equal. Now let's calculate AC and BD. So when AC we calculate, AC comes out to be 1 minus minus 1. So that will be 1 plus 1 whole square, and plus 7 minus minus 1 will be 7 plus 1 whole square. That's 2 square plus 8 square. So which is 4 plus 64. That comes out to be root 68. Same way, let's calculate BD. So for BD, we need to check out the points. What are the points? So let's say it's minus 4 minus 4. I'll say minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square. So I'll say 4 minus 2 whole square. So that's coming out to be minus 8 whole square plus 2 square. Again the same thing. 64 plus 4, that is also root 68. Now I got AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. All are root 34. So all sides are equal. Then I also got AC equals to BD equals to root of 68. So diagonals are equal. So therefore I'll say that ABCD is a square. That's it. So I hope all these questions are clear to you, students. Keep practicing, redo these questions on your own. Fine. And there are many other questions of similar type that you can practice from your NCERT book or from exemplar book. Please keep on practicing. And then next video will come up with section formula and midpoint formula. So please do try these questions again once more. So thank you for watching video. We'll come up with the next video soon.